friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we'll talk about the Seagate Backup Plus Portable external hard disk, which is now available in 4TB and 5TB capacities. When it comes to keeping a backup of your photos, files, documents, most of us use external hard disks because they are accessible. There is also a lot of cloud storage available right now, so a lot of services also offer cloud storage, but the external storage drives are more preferred because you get a lot of space and you can carry it around. This portable hard disk, cloud storage always needs internet access. You can also use cloud storage as another backup, but then portable hard disk are mostly used for backing up your data. So now we're going to talk about Seagate Backup Plus Portable hard disk. So this hard disk was first announced in 2016. Now they have announced a upgraded variant of the popular Backup Plus portable hard disk. So this is the one available right now. So this is available in 5TB and 4TB capacities, and it also comes with some upgrades, and we'll talk about that. We'll do a review, the storage speeds, the read and write speeds, and how good the experience is on with the Seagate Backup Plus Portable. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. So first let's see the box package. This comes up with additional software. This is something which is included. Mylio Organizer is included. It's a photo software for Windows which can organize your photos. This has a value of $50, so that's bundled with this device. So that's the additional software you get with the Seagate Backup Plus Portable hard disk. Now let's open the hard disk and then we'll show you how it is. So just taking this out, so we'll show you what all comes inside the box. So just taking the hard disk out of the box. So there you go. So you get the Mylio Create software. So this is the software to organize your photos, automate protection, and see all of them in your device. So this is bundled for 1 year. This has a value of around $50. So Mylio can be downloaded using this. So that's the one. Then you get Adobe Creative Cloud photography plan for 2 months is included with this, and then you get the Backup Plus manual and quick start guide. So everything is included. So that's the one. Now this is the actual hard disk. So let's just take this out. So there you go. So this is the hard disk, and apart from the hard disk you also get this cable, the flat cable included with the box package. So this is used for transferring files from your hard disk. So that's the one. So that's the Seagate Backup Plus Portable hard disk, 5TB one. Now you can see that this looks pretty good in terms of the build quality. This is made of plastic actually, back panel, and we have a brushed aluminum casing at the top with the Seagate logo, and here we have the LED indicator when this is in action. And here you have the slot to connect the cable and transfer it to the device. So you can see that it looks quite portable in hands. It's really portable. The weight is kind of okay, and this is a 5TB one. It's quite compact as well, and the build quality, fit and finish looks really good on the Seagate Backup Plus Portable hard disk. Now talking about the performance of the Seagate Backup Plus Portable hard disk, it has a 128 MB of cache and a spindle speed of 5400 RPM, and it also carries a 2-year warranty, as it does with all the Seagate products. And this comes in 2 variants, as I said before. 4TB and 5TB has been launched now. Now the overall drive performance was quite okay in our test. The Crystal Disk Mark and Atto 4, these are the 2 tests we achieved. Now both in Crystal Disk Mark and Atto test, the achieved read speed was around 130 to 140 in between that, and the write speed was around 100 to 110. That's the speed we achieved. And we tried copying a 1.5 GB file into this hard disk, and it took around 12 seconds, which indicates that the average speed is around 128 megabytes per second. That's the average speed, which is kind of okay for the regular hard disk. But then now a lot of SSDs have come which have really great speed, but then the problem with SSD is that they are expensive as of now, and if you're looking for a cheaper solution, then Seagate's Backup Plus Portable definitely does that with decent speeds to offer. Now talking about the additional software, so it comes with a Mylio Create software. As I said before, it's worth $50. So Mylio Create is a tool which you can use it for managing your photos in the hard disk. So once you're connected, you can use this. You can import from other sources, manage storage. So that's the purpose of Mylio Create software. So that is bundled with this device. So once you connect this to PC, you can see that there is an option to get the Mylio software. You can register it and use the serial number to get the Mylio software on your PCs. And apart from this, the Backup Plus also offers a really good backup option, backup on demand with one click. That software is included. You can mirror your folders for seamless file management, and there is also password protection available, which is tested and reliable password backup solution. And apart from that, you can also customize your backup. You can have backup on demand with one click, schedule daily, weekly and monthly backups. You can also sync files and projects across multiple devices. So these are some really useful options when it comes to backing up your data on the Seagate Backup Plus Portable hard disk. That's the performance of the Backup Plus portable hard disk from Seagate. So overall, it's a good hard disk which has a good decent performance because you get a lot of storage. So if you want inexpensive storage and decent performance, the Seagate Backup Plus Portable is definitely one of those hard disks to buy. And there are two variants. The 4TB one is priced 11,999, that's 12K, and the 5TB variant is priced 16,499, that's 16,500 rupees in India. And it offers a good overall value for money if you're looking for very large storage. So that was the review of the Backup Plus portable Seagate hard disk, and you can buy it in India. I will share the link in the description of this video. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great